Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your AdSense account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your AdSense customer ID? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need your AdSense customer ID anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you're integrating with other services, sometimes they ask for your AdSense customer ID. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your AdSense account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my AdSense and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need your AdSense customer ID, here on the left menu, you're going to click on account. It looks like a gear icon. All right, once you click there, you're going to see the menu open up and you have two options, personal settings and account information. Go ahead and click on account information. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see more information about your account. But if you're looking for your customer ID in AdSense, it's right here. Okay, so here is your customer ID. It's 10 digits numeric. So AdSense does let you know that you should not be sharing this customer ID with anyone. So unless you trust the company that you're dealing with or the organization, you do not want to share your AdSense customer ID. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your AdSense customer ID, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.